Hey y'all, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, take a look around at all my videos. I'm a Southern cook, but I don't limit myself to that only. And my instructions are for all levels of cooks. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Alright, y'all know what I'm cooking today. Today we're going to be cooking a quick and easy banana pudding. And mine is, only thing that I'm doing different is I use the cook and serve vanilla pudding. I do not use banana cream pudding. That's disgusting. I don't like anything that's fake banana flavored. So, but I don't use it. Instead, I use the cook and serve. And the only thing you're going to need for this is vanilla wafers, some bananas. You know, every time I go to the store, there's always a little a little area where they've got some overripe bananas. Not this time. So I set these in the window a little bit, and they got a little bit riper. And the cook and serve pudding. Now, down here, a lot of times we do one of two things for the top after the pudding and all's on. We either put a meringue and brown it in the oven, or a whipped cream. Today I am doing a whipped cream. And the only thing you're going to need for that is heavy whipping cream, some vanilla extract, and some powdered sugar. So I'm going to start by lining my pan with the vanilla wafers. And you can use any name brand of vanilla wafers. These were actually on sale. To me, the favorite part of the pudding is, I love it, and some people don't like this for this reason. When the cookies are all soggy, I love them, but I'm weird. So, and all I'm doing is just lining this with this. I'm gonna try and put some up on the top, but you know, them things never stay. All those are stuck together, so we'll leave them be. I'm not going to cut up the bananas on top of it yet until the pudding's done, because I don't want them to start browning too fast. Alright, I'm not being too particular about what side these things are on. And if you are, that's fine. That's all well and good. But for this is the bigger box of the vanilla pudding. You are going to need 3 cups of milk. And I am using 2%. That's really, I use half and half. Buttermilk, evaporated milk, but I like my 2%. See, they aren't going to stay very well. But, alright, what I'm going to do, after I throw some more of these cookies all around, is I'm going to mix up 3 cups of milk. And I'm going to get off here and I'm going to cook this real quick. And then we'll bring you back and cut up the bananas and start the pudding. Be back shortly. Okay guys, I cut up 4 bananas. I know that doesn't look like a whole lot. But to me, I wouldn't care if there wasn't any bananas on it. But I brought it, all you do is bring it to a boil. Okay, now, let's scrape the rest of this out. Get all that goodness out of there. Now, before I do the whipped cream, I do have to let this set up, so I'm going to stick this in the fridge for a couple hours, and we'll bring you back for the next part. As this is set up, now one thing about when you're making whipped cream, you want to make sure that your beater, which I'm using my whisk beater, and your bowl is ice cold. Now you're going to start with a cup of heavy cream. And what you want to do is, wait, let me get everything together. I also have a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and I'm going to use a teaspoon of vanilla. And this is real vanilla extract. And I'm going to make a mess. I'm just starting this on low, because like I said, I'm going to make a mess regardless. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of the vanilla. Look at me wearing this. Oh well. Now we got a tablespoon of the powdered sugar. Good Lord. I'm sorry, I should have got a bigger bowl, but I wasn't thinking. Well, apron would have been nice. Look at me covered. Now, you don't want to beat this because you can't beat it till you can make butter out of heavy cream, you know. No, it's nowhere near ready. But it's getting there, see, it's forming. And there we go. Alright. Boy, I'm still wearing this stuff. I'm making a mess. But my whole kitchen is totally messed up. And here's our pudding and cookies and bananas that's set up. Probably could have made a little bit more, but that's okay. Alright guys, there is your banana pudding. We're going to cut us off some. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Comment below and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it out on your social media and help my channel grow. Dessert's ready, y'all. Bye.